Well, for one, India is a country which you require a Carnet de Passage to take your motorcycle out of the country. I, for one, have always been doing that because I believe our Indian products are some of the world's best. And it's just that I have the support of the motorcycle company, which helps me to take my own fully prep the machine the way I need it to any corner of the world. So Carnet de Passage is one of the most important documents. It's like your passport. Without a passport, you cannot go through the security checks and immigration. It's likewise a Carnet de Passage. So which is issued by the Western India Automobile Association here in our country against certain fees and security deposit. You get this document for your motorcycle and then you go through the customs. It's a big rigmarole. We are still there. I mean, we still not reached the way ideally many countries would want to. And we probably will have a law to ensure that, it's more easier for our motorcycles to go out of the country. But yes, that's one important document that needs the motorcycle to be Carnet de Passaged, and it flies into a different country. There are still many countries where a Carnet de Passage is the only document that can allow you to get in and out of the country without having to pay any import duties. Now that's really important because certain countries' import duties can drain you out. So this is one document that I believe is a must to have in case you're taking your own motorcycle. Insurance. Very, very critical to have a comprehensive insurance. Now for a motor vehicle, when you're crossing borders, there are insurance which is available at borders. So that can range from anywhere from a $5 to $8 to $30 to $40 depending on which country and what are the insurance regulations those countries have. Other than that, from an Indian standpoint, you need to have an international driving permit. It's a permit, it's not a license. It's piggybacking on your current driving license that you have in this country. It's good to have an international driving permit, though most of the countries may never ask for it. It's good to have, it's not a must to have. I, for one, would always carry an international driving permit with me just to make sure that, there are countries which do look into it and this can be a valid document. Next, your own passport, which is very, very critical. Take care of it as it's your second skin, because without a passport, you will run into a lot of issues. 4 documents, make sure you have it. You can go around with it.